If you're watching 30 or 60-minute YouTube videos just to get a few key ideas, you're wasting time. So I tested 10 AI tools in 2026 to find the best free AI YouTube video summarizer tools that promise to replace watching the video entirely. Most of them fail. But one tool actually works, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is the clear number one. I ranked all 10 best free YouTube summarizers using one simple question: can this actually let me skip the YouTube video? Based on that, I grouped them into 4 types, from tools that barely save time to tools that fully replace the need to watch the video. Without further ado, let's get to the video. So the first category is what I call traditional and built-in AI summaries. These technically work, but they don't really save time. Number 10, traditional ChatGPT method. The first method is the traditional ChatGPT workflow. You open a YouTube video, click transcript, copy the entire transcript, paste it into ChatGPT, and ask it to summarize it. And yes, you do get a summary. But here's the problem. ChatGPT usually gives you long, unstructured text, full of AI patterns, weak organization, and no real hierarchy. You still have to clean it, rewrite it, and understand it yourself. That's why most people stop here, but there's a slightly better option built directly into YouTube. Number 9. YouTube Gemini built-in summary. Recently, YouTube added an AI summary feature powered by Gemini. You click on a video, tap the Gemini icon next to the share button, and ask it to summarize the video. It works and it's fast. But look closely. The summary is instructional, not structured. Copy it and you'll notice formatting issues, symbols, and no clean hierarchy. So yes, better than ChatGPT, but still not good enough if you actually want to skip the video. To fix these problems, we need tools that are built specifically for summarization. That's where the next category comes in. So the second category is what I call mid-level AI summary tools. These are much better than traditional methods because they give structured summaries, but they still don't fully replace watching the video. The first tool in this category is Decapy.ai. Decapy is a free AI-powered YouTube video summarizer that works directly from a video link and doesn't require any sign-up. To use Decapy, copy the YouTube video link, visit the Decapy website, and paste the link into the input field. Click Generate, and within seconds, you get a structured breakdown. It can generate transcripts, key takeaways, time-stamped highlights, and even visual mind maps. This makes navigation easier compared to ChatGPT or YouTube's built-in summary. Because of that, you'll quickly want something more reliable. That brings us to the next tool. Next is Glasp AI. Glasp is a web highlighting and knowledge management tool that can summarize websites, PDFs, and YouTube videos. You copy the YouTube link and process it through Glasp. In many cases, you'll need to use their browser extension rather than just the website. But there's still a problem. It often lacks a fully structured summary. You don't always get a clear hierarchy or breakdown of ideas. So while it's better than Decapy, it still doesn't fully pass the test. To solve that, we need something built for long-form content. That brings us to Podly AI. Podly is designed specifically for long-form YouTube videos and podcasts. You copy the link of a YouTube podcast or long-form video, you paste it into Podly's input field. The tool uses integrated AI models like Gemini to transcribe the audio and analyze themes, keywords, and flow. It's excellent at extracting actionable insights from deep conversations, great for interviews, podcasts, and educational discussions. But again, there are trade-offs. It has high credit costs, it's sensitive to audio quality, so it works well in specific cases, but not for everything. Next is Monica AI, and this one is interesting. Monica is positioned as an all-in-one AI hub that works both on its website and as a browser extension. You copy a YouTube link and paste it directly into the Monica website, or summarize the video directly using the browser extension. The English is very clear and easy to understand. Summaries are simple, readable, and fast. But simplicity comes at a cost. Monica uses very basic grammar. That makes it easy to read, but it removes technical precision. Important details can get lost. So this entire category is a big step up from traditional methods. You get better structure, better summaries, and more features. But you still can't fully skip the video. To go further, we need a tool that doesn't just summarize, but helps you understand. That's where the next category comes in. So the third category is what I call beyond summary tools. These tools don't just summarize videos, they help you understand and study them. There's only one tool in this category, which is Notebooklm. Notebooklm has evolved from a simple research assistant into a powerful multimodal learning platform. To use it, you first create an account and visit notebooklm.google. Start a new project and add a source. Select YouTube as the source and paste the public video link. Notebooklm treats the YouTube video as a primary source. From there, you can generate a video overview. You can also ask specific questions about the video using the interactive chat. Inside the Studio panel, you can convert the video into different formats. This includes infographics, audio explanations, slide decks, and even flashcards. It's extremely powerful if your goal is learning and deep understanding. But here's the issue. Notebooklm uses complex English grammar, which can be difficult for non-native English speakers. It's full of AI writing patterns and often changes the tone and style of the original video. And most importantly, it wasn't designed specifically for fast YouTube summarization. So while it is incredible for research and studying, it doesn't really help you quickly skip YouTube videos. And this is where everything changes. The next category is where tools finally pass the test. So now we reach the final category. These are the only tools where I genuinely didn't need to watch the video afterwards. The third tool on this list is Wayne AI, also known as Wayne Video. Wayne is different because it understands videos beyond just text. Unlike basic summarizers, Wayne analyzes visual scenes, on-screen text, and actions, not just audio transcripts. That means it can summarize videos even when captions are missing. To use Wayne AI, you visit the Wayne website or install the browser extension. Paste a YouTube link into Video Summary and Moments, choose the video language and the output language you want, click Generate. Wayne trims the video into the most important segments. You get top moments, segment-by-segment summaries, and an inbuilt AI chatbot. You can translate summaries into different languages. You can export summaries as PDF, text, or Markdown. It also includes a visual mind map for structured understanding. This is the first tool that actually made me feel like I could skip parts of the video, but the next tool goes even further. Number 2 is Recapio AI. Recapio isn't just a summarizer, it's a knowledge management system. You visit the Recapio website and paste a YouTube link. The AI transcribes the video and generates a structured summary with clickable timestamps. You get a one-line TLDR, a detailed summary, bullet points, flashcards, and mind maps, and an interactive chat to ask custom questions. Here's the feature I personally use the most. Recapio can instantly generate social media posts and articles for platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter. But this is where it gets really interesting. With one click, Recapio can turn a video into a visual infographic. You choose the style, notebook or whiteboard, click Generate, and everything is explained visually, clear, organized, and downloadable. At this point, I could completely skip the video, but there's still one tool that does even more. And the number one tool does something none of the others do. That tool is NoteGPT. NoteGPT is a full AI learning assistant designed to turn long-form content into structured study material. You visit the NoteGPT website or use the browser extension, click Try for free, paste a YouTube link, and generate a full summary. You can choose different summary formats: smart summaries, chapter summaries, reports, essays, even legal-style summaries. It generates advanced AI mind maps, flashcards, and structured roadmaps for understanding. You can convert videos into podcasts, upload videos directly for summarization, summarize PDFs, documents, and presentations. NoteGPT also gives you access to multiple AI models. This includes ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Grok without separate subscriptions. It includes AI writing tools like humanizers, AI detectors, and content generators. This is the only tool that gave me everything: summary, structure, learning, and creation in one place. For me, this is the best free AI YouTube video summarizer. Now, one important thing to understand is this. AI summaries are powerful, but they still need to sound human. That's why I made a full breakdown on AI detection and humanizing tools where I compare the best free and paid options. You'll find that video linked in the description along with every tool I mentioned today. I'm Eldnight. See you next video. Peace.